Stop! Before you close this video, let me ask you something important.
Do you learn English words today and forget them tomorrow? Do you feel frustrated because you can't remember new vocabulary?
Here's the truth. You're learning words the wrong way. That's why you forget them so fast.
What if I told you there's a simple trick that makes any English word stick in your brain forever? A trick that takes just 5 days?
Hi, I'm Emma, and this is Mark. Today is day 7 of our 7-day Brain Revolution series. How to memorize new words smartly.
Now this is the final episode of our series. But don't worry if you're new here. Each episode teaches you something different and valuable. You can watch this one first and still get amazing results.
In the next 12 minutes, we're going to show you exactly how to remember English words like a memory expert. This isn't theory. This isn't boring grammar.
This is the exact system that helped thousands of English learners. Stop forgetting vocabulary forever. And after this episode, I promise you'll want to check out our other 6 episodes too.
By the end of this video, you'll never say, I learned this word before, but I can't remember it again.
So if you're tired of forgetting English words, if you want to build real vocabulary that stays in your brain, keep watching. This changes everything.
First, let me quickly tell you about our amazing 7-day Brain Revolution series. Even if this is your first episode, you'll love hearing what we've discovered.
Day 1. Stop translating in your head. We taught people how to think directly in English. Imagine never translating again.
Day 2. Forget grammar rules. We showed how to speak with confidence and flow, even with simple grammar.
Day 3. Control your English emotions. We turned English anxiety into English excitement. No more fear.
Day 4. Transform your environment. We made phones, rooms, and daily life become English learning tools, working 24/7.
Day 5. Become your English speaking self. We helped people speak without stopping, without fear, pure confidence.
Day 6. Learn English while you sleep. We unlocked the sleeping brain to learn English all night long. Amazing, right?
And today, Day 7, we're giving you the most requested topic of all, how to remember English words forever.
If you're thinking, wow, I want to learn all of these techniques, don't worry. All our episodes are available on our channel. You can watch them in any order. Today, we're giving you something special. We call it Smart English for Life. It's a simple daily plan that takes only 20 minutes.
Just 20 minutes every day, but these 20 minutes will change your English, more than hours of studying grammar books.
Smart English for Life has 4 easy steps. Let me tell you each one.
Step 1. Morning English Mind. 5 minutes. Every morning, before you look at your phone, spend 5 minutes with English.
Here's what you do. Stand in front of a mirror. Take 3 deep breaths. Say, today I think in English. Today I am confident. Today I speak well. Look at yourself and describe what you see for 2 minutes in English.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. This wakes up your English brain.
Step 2, daily English time. 10 minutes. During your day, find 10 minutes for English. You can listen to English while walking, watch English videos while eating, read English news while drinking coffee, talk to yourself in English while cooking.
The important thing is this. Make English part of your normal day. Don't make it separate or special.
And remember, you don't need to understand every word. Let English flow into your brain like water.
Step 3. Evening English practice. 3 minutes. Before dinner, spend 3 minutes talking about your day in English.
Choose one thing that happened today. Then talk about it in English. Use simple words. I felt happy when. Use your hands and body when you speak. Try speaking slow, then normal, then fast.
For example, today I felt good because I understood an English song. I think my English is getting better.
Step 4. Night English learning. 2 minutes plus sleep. Before you sleep, prepare your brain for night learning.
Here's what you do. Write down 3 English words or phrases you heard today. Say them out loud once. Play soft English audio while you sleep, podcasts or conversations.
Your brain learns English, even when you sleep.
Now let's talk about the big question. How do I remember new English words?
The secret is not studying word lists. The secret is making words part of your real life.
When you learn a new English word, use our simple but powerful 5-day plan.
Day 1, meet the word. Don't just read the word, say it, hear it, feel it. If you learn the word happy, smile when you say, I am happy.
Day 2, use the word. Find 3 ways to use this word in your life. I am happy today. This song makes me happy. Happy people smile a lot.
Day 3, play with the word. Make it fun. Create a silly sentence. My dog is happy when he sees food.
Day 4, connect the word. Link it with other similar words. Happy is like good, excited, pleased, glad. Your brain loves connections.
Day 5, own the word. Use it naturally when you speak. Don't think about it. Just use it.
After 5 days, this word is not just in your memory. It's part of you.
Now, let's talk about the big mistakes that stop your English progress.
Many learners think, I need perfect grammar before I speak. That's wrong.
Remember, communication first. Perfect grammar later. Even native speakers make mistakes. People just want to understand you.
Some people learn words by themselves, with no sentences or context. That's why your brain forgets them.
Always learn words and sentences. Always connect words to your real life.
Trying to learn 50 words in one day, then forgetting all of them in 1 week.
It's better to learn 5 words well than 50 words badly. Quality beats quantity, always.
Being afraid to make mistakes, afraid to sound bad, afraid to try.
Remember, fear stops fluency. Choose to be brave, not afraid. Looking at other people's English and feeling bad because they sound better.
Your English journey is special. Your progress is personal. Just be better than yesterday. So what happens after today? How do you keep learning?
We want you to try our Smart English for Life system. For the next 30 days, just 20 minutes every day.
Here's what will happen. Week 1, you'll feel more confident speaking. Week 2, you'll start thinking some thoughts in English. Week 3, you'll understand more without translating. Week 4, people will say, your English is getting better.
This is not about being perfect in 30 days. This is about building good habits for life.
Try to find other people learning English. Online English groups, local conversation clubs, language exchange partners, friends who want to practice.
You don't need native speakers. You need people who support your journey.
Every week, record yourself speaking English for 2 minutes, any topic.
Don't judge the recording, just save it. Then, after 4 weeks, listen to your first recording and your newest one.
English progress is slow day by day, but week by week, month by month, the changes are amazing.
Before we say goodbye, we want to tell you something important.
Learning English isn't just about language. It's about becoming the person you want to be. It opens doors to friends, jobs, experiences.
Every English word you learn, every conversation you have, every mistake you make. It all helps you become a confident, global person.
There will be hard days. Days when you feel like your English isn't getting better. Days when you want to stop.
On those days, remember today. Remember that you can do this. You have the tools to succeed.
Your English brain is different now. Trust it, use it, let it grow.
So here we are, at the end of our 7-day Brain Revolution series. What an incredible journey this has been.
You now have the complete system. Day 1. Think directly in English. No more translating. Day 2. Speak with confidence over perfect grammar. Day 3. Control your emotions and love learning. Day 4. Transform your environment into an English world. Day 5. Become your confident English-speaking self. Day 6. Learn English even while you sleep. Day 7. Remember vocabulary like a memory expert.
But here's the exciting part. If this was your first episode, you still have 6 more brain-changing episodes waiting.
Each one gives you a different superpower. You can watch them in any order, but trust me, you'll want to watch them all.
And if you've been with us since day 1, congratulations! You've just completed something that will change your English forever.
Most importantly, you now have proof that you can change, that you can grow, that you can become the English speaker you truly want to be.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you for trusting us with your English dreams.
Remember this: every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker was once afraid to speak. You're exactly where you need to be.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and most importantly, keep speaking.
This is Emma and Mark from Speak English Daily. Our 7-day Brain Revolution series ends here, but your English revolution starts now.
Don't forget to check out our other episodes. And until next time, think smart, speak well, live confidently.
Go out there and show the world your amazing English.